In this video, I want to talk about how you can see volume on eToro. So you can use your app for this, or you can use the website. And what we want to do is we want to find any chart. So let me just go to Discover and select a random chart so we can check the volume. So I'm just going to choose Apple and I'm going to choose chart. Now what you want to do to check the volume on this one is you want to click on indicators, search for volume, select volume, and now it will show you the volume. So when you hover on this one, it's going to show you the volume up here. So as you can see, it's changing like this, right? So this is the way that you can check the volume on eToro. Now this is pretty easy, guys, and this is the volume indicator. There might be some other volume ones. Yeah, there's some other volume ones, but this is the standard volume one, and you can check it easily here. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.